Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter 11 Measurements. That is the last chapter of our maths online class. Okay? In this chapter, we will learn about the subunit and multiple unit of length, mass and capacity. In this video, we will learn measurement of length. Meter is the standard unit of length. The multiples and submultiples of meter are centimeter and kilometer. The short form of meter is m and the short form of centimeter is cm and the short form of kilometer is km. We measure small distances of measurements in centimeters and meters and long distances of measurements in kilometer. Okay? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now let us concentrate on the table of measurement. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. 10 meters is equal to 1 decameter and 10 decameters is equal to 1 hectometer. As we have already learnt, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay? So, you have to learn this table. Now let us learn conversion of metric measurements. We will converting from higher to lower unit and then from lower to higher unit. Okay. Now look at this carefully. For converting a bigger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply the bigger unit by 10 or by multiple of 10 depending upon the units involved. Okay. Similarly, for converting a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we will divide the smaller unit by 10 or by multiple of 10 depending upon the units involved. Okay. So let's start the exercise 11.1. Let's start exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Express L centimeter. A. 7 meter. We have to convert 7 meter into centimeter. Okay. So let's solve it. We have to convert 7 meter into centimeter. So first count the places to the right of places up to centimeter. Okay. So 1 and 2. We have to move 2 places. We have already learnt that the value unit is 10 times the value unit to its right. As we move 2 places to the right, the factor is 100. Okay. So, as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 7 meter is equal to 7 will be multiplied by the factor 100. We get the answer as 700 centimeter. Okay. Remember children, here we insert as many zeros to the right of the higher unit as the number of places to get the answer. Okay. Understood? Like this you can solve all the questions given in question number 1. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2, express as meter. A. 378 centimeter. Question number 2a, we have to convert 378 centimeter to meter. Okay. So here we have to convert lower unit to higher unit. So first of all, count the places to the left of cm up to meter. That is 1 and 2 places. One and 2 places, and we have already learned the value of a unit is 10 times the value of the unit to its left. As we moved 2 places to the left, the divisor is 100, and we know that 100 cm is equal to 1 meter. So on dividing, therefore 378 cm is equal to 378 divided by 100 meter. And on dividing 708 with the divisor 100, we get the answer as 3.78 meter. Answer. Okay, understood? Like this you have to solve all the questions given in question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3, express as millimeter. A 9 cm. We have to convert 9 cm in millimeter. Now we have to convert 9 cm in millimeter. Okay, so let's start. First of all, count the places. We moved 1 places. Therefore 1 cm is equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 9 centimeter or cm is equal to 10 multiplied 9 multiplied by 10 mm is equal to 9 tens are 90 mm. Answer. Like this you can solve all the questions in question number 3. Now question number 4, express as meter. A 8 kilometer. Kilometer is the higher unit and meter is the lower unit. So we have to convert higher unit to lower unit. So we will divide. We will multiply to convert bigger unit to smaller unit. Okay, so let's start. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 8 kilometer is equal to 8 multiplied by 1000 meter is equal to 8000 meter. Answer. Okay. Now I am going to solve question number 4e. The question is 108 kilometer and 208 meter. We have to convert it in meter. Okay, so let's start. As we know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, first of all we have to convert 108 kilometer into meter. So 108 kilometer is equal to 108 multiplied by 1000. Meter is equal to 108,000 meter. Okay. After this we have to add this meter. So therefore 108 kilometer and 208 meter is equal to 108 kilometer is equal to 108,000 meter, and we have to add this meter 208 meter. We will get the answer 802,801 answer. Okay, like this you can solve all the questions given in question number 4. Now move to question number 5. Question number 5, express as kilometer using decimal. A 11,792 meter. Let's solve it. In question number 5a, we have to express 11,792 meter in kilometer. Okay. As we know, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Therefore, 11,792 meter is equal to 11,792 divided by 1000 kilometer. Therefore, it will be 11.792 kilometer answer. Okay. Like this you can solve all the questions in question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Question number 6, express as meter using decimal. A 68 centimeter. We have to express 68 centimeter as meter. Let's solve it. We have to express 68 centimeter in meter. As we know, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Therefore, 68 centimeter is equal to 68 by 100 meter is equal to 86.0 meter answer. Okay. Like this you can solve all the questions in question number 6. Now move to question number 7. Question number 7, express as centimeter using decimal. Let's do it. A 50 mm. We have to express 15 millimeter as centimeter. Okay, let's do it. As we know, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, 15 millimeter is equal to 15 divided by 10 centimeter is equal to 1.5 centimeter answer. Okay, all of you understand? Like this you can solve all the questions in question number 7. And now your homework will be exercise 11.1. Do it in your maths fair notebook. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.